Yo, guys. What's going on? What's going on, guys? It's been a while. Our last stream was last week, Friday, right? That was when we had our last stream. And yeah, many of us took the BTC trade I gave. Yeah, towards the end of that stream, I actually asked us to enter BTC long. Many of us took that trade. Let me know on the chat if you took that BTC trade because it actually hit full TP. Okay. And some other trades, actually, some other pending trades we had and all of that, all of them, some of them triggered. Okay, I remember that I asked you guys to buy XAI, AI, and all of that. Okay, so some of those tokens are doing great. If you took BTC, it was a nice trade, most especially if you use a very good leverage for this, like a 50-100x leverage. All right, that was a successful trade, and yeah. So except for some of the few coins, altcoins that we're looking at that are not doing well. Okay, for Ethereum, I told you guys I'll be looking to buy Ethereum and Ethereum family lower. But I've not seen any reaction to give me some trades on Ethereum yet. I've not seen any reaction to give me some trades on Ethereum and the Ethereum family and all of that. Okay, how's it going, guys? Yeah, Bright, welcome to the live show. Guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, leave a comment. Okay, leave a comment. Let me know. And then whatever token you're trading, okay, let me know. I guess my internet connection is not too strong. I don't know if you guys can actually hear me loud and clear. Yeah, my internet connection is, look at that, okay? It's on and off. So yeah. I think we could actually have a challenge with internet, okay? We could actually have a challenge with the internet connection and all of that. All right. So these are some of the tokens that I'm looking at for Ethereum. All right. On Ethereum, I'm looking at the 𝗕𝗫𝗙 too. All right. And the 𝗕𝗫𝗙, since we had this pullback here, it has not really moved the way it ought to. Okay. It hasn't. I'm actually looking for a rejection towards that golden level. Okay. So anything around $4 or below, that is where I want to start looking for a long trade for 𝗕𝗫𝗙. The same thing will go for ENS, PERPER, LDO, ENA, ALT. ALT at a point it was running in profit, but I had to just close that trade, and then I'm looking for new entries for ALT. Okay, Aziz, you're welcome, guys, welcome everyone, welcome, happy new week, guys. All right, I wish you all a successful and profitable week ahead. All right. Okay, thank you so much, Luis, for confirming that. Yeah, good evening, Desmond. Good evening, Ike. Yeah, good evening, Follow. Welcome everyone to the live show. Okay, welcome everyone. And basically, good news. Okay, for those of you who have actually subscribed into this trading course, okay, the course materials, I've started uploading them, so all of them will be available by next week. Okay, so you still have a chance to actually get this course very cheap. Before we actually, finish uploading them. After we finish uploading everything, okay. Yes, go ahead, Follow. You can ask your questions, okay. But it's like the network is not fine. Well, go ahead and type your question. Maybe I should be able to answer your question before we actually go, because I only plan to stream for just 30 minutes today. All right. I only plan to stream for 30 minutes today. I'm still looking for a better network connection for those of you in Abuja. Okay, if you have any other network, some of the network, our internet connection they recommended for me, okay, that they will set up on your home and all of that, those ones are Lagos based. They don't have network in Abuja yet. All right, but if you have any other network platform aside all these are regular service provider that we use, you can go ahead and let me know, so that I will set that at my home and see how it works. Okay, yeah, I'm still holding Audi. Okay, I'll look at Audi and see what's going on with Audi as this. yeah, just so patient with Audi. Audi went to $50, right? Actually closed mine at $49, and you're still holding on. I think it was, I even saw that went back to 46. Let me check. Audi should be on my watch list, right? Yeah, it should be on my watch list. Let me check. This are still holding. What's the current price of Audi right now? Because I closed at 49.2 or 0.3 or thereabout. Yeah, I closed at 49.2 or 0.3. So $7. So Let's let the chart load up so that we'll see what is going on. Okay, it started waking up, right? Audio started waking up, and I guess is that 382 level. Let me see what the Fibonacci retracement you can give us. We're actually bouncing off from that previous day low, so let's see what the Fibonacci retracement you can give us, guys. Let me take it from here. Let's to the 382 and see what happens there. Okay, yeah, just we slightly went below that 382 and now we're bouncing back up. Okay, yeah, your hold, if you are still holding on to have a resistance around that $49.50 level, but if we break out of that resistance, then OD can start going back up and all of that. So yeah, if you are still holding on to OD, yeah, at least you could start recovering back from that trade too. Yeah, okay, so that's a good one. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, good evening, Julia, you're welcome. Yes, okay, thank you so much, Bright, for confirming that. What do you want me to drop? Okay, we are here, we'll drop. Definitely I will drop signals before I take it off. Okay, now one thing you want to do for me, guys, smash that like button. Okay, smash that like button. Let's get it rolling. All right, let's get it rolling. Okay. Yes, follow, go ahead and type your question. I'm here to answer that question. I'll be able to attempt the question before I call it a day. Okay, smash that like button, guys, smash that like button. Let's get it rolling. Okay, for Notcoin, guys, okay, I was actually trying to look at the market cap and the volume that is being traded and all of that. Okay, if Notcoin do get back to that all-time high of 29 or even 30 cents again, maybe I could start looking for a short from that area going down. Okay, because right now we have a market cap of about 2.3, and then the 24 hours trading volume is around 4.2 billion, right? This is I don't know. Okay, when this thing dumps, it actually dump very hard. Okay, when Notcoin dumps, it will actually dump very high. But we are just looking at it. Okay, we'll look at it and see what happened. All right. For those of you who took that quick scalp in the morning, yeah, I hope you were able to make profit from it. Okay, I hope you're able to make profit from that. I did, and I closed my trade immediately. I got 76% or so from Notcoin. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Maybe we'll consolidate here for a while, create like a bull flag here, and then push back up again before that dump will happen. But anyhow it goes, our eyes are on this. Okay, we'll continue to monitor that and see how it will play out. All right, we'll continue to monitor that and see how it plays out. Okay, so my charts are not been loading. I sent us this trade this morning. Let me see. One of those trades I sent this morning was this particular one. Let it load up, then we'll go ahead and look at it. Okay, yeah, I'm equally looking for a long trade for around this area for this particular token. What's it called? Okay, I'm looking for a long trade for this particular token. That is for core. Okay, from this area here, I'm looking for a long. Okay, so I'm looking for a long. Okay, I want to see core bounce up from here. That's the area I'm looking for long trade going for, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, we'll see how it goes. So I'm still holding on to this trade for Saga. I'm still holding on to Saga. Okay, let it load up, guys. It has, though I'm gradually buying Saga, but well, let it load up. Let me just show you that entry for those of you who didn't market order, who were just grumbling on my DM and all of that. Okay, when I send a trade, please use the signal that I've provided, okay, to set limit order. Stop entering trades in market order against what I send. And at the end of the day, you're looking for who to blame. It doesn't make any sense, right? It doesn't make any sense. So let this thing load up. Let me just show you the setup I sent you. Though he came and picked that, okay, he came and picked that trade, and I want it to continue to go. Currently is in profit. I'm still holding on to the Saga trade. Okay, I'm still holding on to Saga. I don't know why this thing is not loading. The setup I put here is not loading up. Okay, that is it, guys. All right, that is it. So it came triggered, and right now it is moving back up, right? So we came to that entry that I gave you, triggered, and right now we are moving back up. So if we get to this daily open of around $3, I'm going to close out of my position, then hold the remaining one, maybe around 3.2 or 3.1 or thereabout. I'll be looking to close the remaining position or leave it to go hit full TP. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at for Saga. Is one of those trades we traded this morning. Okay, Notcoin was in profit. This one too is equally running in profit, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, and there are a few other tokens I asked you guys to look at. All right, if I have the time, I'll go through all of them and all of that. Okay. Okay, so I have some questions here. My question is, if I buy a particular coin at a particular price, if the price of that coin goes lower of my price, do I lose money? Yes. Okay, you lose money. All right. Now let's make it clear, right? I don't know what you're referring to. We have futures trade, okay, and then we have spot trade. All right. Future trading is a one-way stuff, right? You only buy low and you make profit when the price goes up. Sorry, spot trading. Okay, spot trading is a one-way thing. In spot trading, you buy lower. Okay, let me do this on the dark screen so that you'll be able to see. All right, so in spot, you buy low, all right, around the low, okay, and then you sell when the price goes up. All right, so you sell your coins that you bought down here when the price goes up. That is spot trading for you. So spot trading is only a one-way thing. Okay, so you look for levels where you want to buy that particular token, and when you buy, when the price goes up, you make money. Okay, that is spot trading for you. But in futures, you can make money in both ways. All right, now based on your question, if I decided to buy, all right, or sell, depending, okay, let's say, let me just show you this. Okay, let's say core was trading around this area, and I noticed that this area is a resistance because price has rejected there before, and then price will reject here again. Okay, and I decided to sell here. As the price continues to go down, when I'm selling, I'm expecting the price to go down. If the price continues to go down, I'll be in profit. But if I sell and the price continues to go up, I'll be in losses. All right, I'll be losing. Then the same thing happens when you're buying. All right, just like I'm saying, I'm looking for a long trade for core from here. Okay, and what I'm actually looking for is that when I buy here, this coin should start going up. If it doesn't go up and from here it start going down, I'll be losing money. All right, so you buy low, you sell high in spot trading, but in futures, you want to sell when the prices are up there. Okay, when the prices are overbought, you want to sell. When the price is oversold, you want to buy. Right? So if this question you asked right now is for spot trading, yes, if you buy and the price goes below what you bought, you'll be losing money. All right. But if it is futures, if you sell and the price continues to go up, you will lose money. If you buy and the price continues to go down, you will lose money. All right. That's how it basically works. Okay. So it all depends on what you want to trade. What's going on? What's going to happen to Notcoin now? Can it still go up? Yeah. Well, I'm still looking for to go, or where is the Notcoin set? Okay, I'm still looking for Notcoin to still go up. All right, maybe we'll go hit like 30 cents. Right, if it goes hit 30 cents, maybe at that level I'll be looking to start shorting and all of that. So yeah, Notcoin can still go up. Okay, or it can continue to go down. I don't know. All right, it can go up or continue to go down. I am not sure. All right, but the excitement in trading Notcoin is actually making this thing go parabolic and all of that. All right, so was is that Zohab, right? Dick want us to look at big. Okay, yes, I'll look at big for you. I'll look at big for you. All right, so for this particular coin, my eye came for long. Once I see that sign that this area as a strong support, then from this area we can start taking trades to the holding on to Saga. Okay, Saga holding on to that. And let's look at big. Let's look at big and see what's happening with big. Okay, so for big USDT, let's see what we have on big. Let's load up. Okay, so while that is loading up for Siddiq, let's look at the next question. I use your link to open BYBIT, but you haven't added me to your Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram is in the video description, okay? Hello. Okay, I can't pronounce that name, but the link to the Telegram is in the video description. Okay, so go to the description of this video and join us on Telegram right now. Okay, go to the description of this video and join us on Telegram right now. All right. Please send me a DM on Telegram. Okay, you cannot be just collecting signals and be blowing your account. All right. Send us. See, guys, it is not just about collecting signal. Okay, it's not just about collecting signals. I've told you guys time with that number. Okay, there are basic things you need to learn. There are basic things you need to learn, right? It is not just about taking signals. Okay, you and I can enter the same signal, come out in that signal profitable, and you come out losing your money. It's as simple as that. All right, which is why we have put this course together for anybody who is interested. Okay, and as I said earlier, we started updating the course materials, and then this will be fully available next week. And once that is available, the price will change. So you can still take advantage of that right now and purchase the course. The link to will be in the video description, or on the Telegram, you can get that link. I always post there to take a trade. Okay, so before we go further, let's go to big. Let's go to big. Okay, so big is currently facing this resistance area here. So we did have that push up there. Big is currently facing that resistance at that 31 cent level. So I want to look at the daily time frame and see what big can actually give us. Let's look at the daily. Let that load up. Let's see what big can give us. Okay, so why that is coming up, I bought Param the day you announced it. But it's like my account balance is reducing. Yes, definitely to reduce. Okay, I didn't announce Param for you to buy. I announced that you go and earn Param for free. Okay, that was the announcement I gave. Go and earn Param for free. You would have used that USDT you used to buy in Param or in buying Param to go and do the launch pool that I announced, right? I told you guys to go and do launch pool. Then those who have the Param already should do. Param was just listed the day I made that announcement. And normally when a token is just listed, it will go up. Param was trading at 90 something cent as at when it was listed. And right now as I'm speaking with you, Param is around 70 something. So just imagine you bought something at 90 something and then right now is 0.76. You definitely be losing, right? You definitely be losing. So yeah, can't have you will definitely be losing. Okay, that's the whole the truth there, right? So when I announced Param, I said it clearly. Yeah, go and do the launch pool on Param, and that launch pool will end I think tomorrow or so. So tomorrow, for everybody who has staked their USDT, their MMT token, and all of that, will be receiving reward from Param. I didn't ask you to go and buy on spot. I don't know if you bought to do the launch pool. If you did, well, hold it, because once that launch pool is finished, you will get some. But hold your Param and sell it above what you bought it. It's as simple as that. All right? Okay? So, yeah, I actually told you guys to go do the launch pool. And for those of you who did the launch pool will end tomorrow. And then the IDO that I asked you to buy into for, what's the name of that token again? It will equally end tomorrow. So if you get a ticket, buy the token. And then once it's listed for trading, you go ahead and sell it for profit. All right? Okay. So back to, the stuff has disappeared. Big. Come up. Let's look at it. Okay. So big is currently, let me take this thing. I'm currently on a daily time frame, right? And then take it to that 382 level, and we are pushing back up. All right. So came back to that 382 level, and we are pushing back up. So let's see if we can get a good entry for big. But as you can see, we are currently at a resistance level, right? So at that 0.312 is a resistance, 0.31, 0.32. Those are resistance area that we will need to face. If we break above this resistance area we are looking at right now, then you can see big going to that next resistance level of 0.35. Okay. So basically what I will look for here on big is see if big can push back down to maybe around 0.29 or even down to that 382 of 0.28. That is where I'll be looking for a long trade going forward. Okay, I'll wait for a rejection here, push back down, and then from here I'll be taking a trade to the upside. That's what I'll be looking at for big. Okay. Yeah. So yes, follow yes. If you buy something and the price keep going down, you'll be losing. That's how spot trading works. Okay. Is normal business whatever now. You can't go to the market and buy something at 2 naira or $2, and then eventually you go back to the market and they say the price is now $1. You'll be losing, right? That is how spot trading works. So when you buy, it is expected that for you to make profit, the price should continue to go up. All right. If the price doesn't go up and it's going down, you'll be losing. So param that you bought, I don't know whether you bought and held or you bought it to go do the launch pool. If you did the launch pool, maybe you'll get some tokens from the launch pool to make up. Okay. But if you just bought to hold, then hold it, because param could still make a move to the upside. And if that happens, you could actually make some profit from it. Okay. So the launch pool comes to an end tomorrow. Try to redeem your tokens, right? Try to get your tokens, and if you receive the param for free, sell it for profit. Okay, sell it for profit. Let me load up the param chart and see what is currently happening. I don't know how to go about the launch pool. I made a step-by-step video on that, right? I made a step-by-step video on that. So please try to see that video. Go to the channel there and see that video. I made a step-by-step video. I posted it on the platform. All right. Go and see it's very simple. You go to the launch pool, you click on stake, and you stake your stock. Click on register to participate, stake, and you stake your token, and that is basically it. Okay, it's not something that is too difficult. I made all those things. I made launch pool, buy starter, whatever it is on BYBIT. I made videos about them. Check out the channel for that. All right. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, right? When this token was listed, definitely it started pumping, right? And right now we are pushing back down. Okay, so if you bought here and it has reduced, you will definitely be losing money. So just hold on to your token, and let's see what happens after the launch pool, if this thing will continue to come back down. All right, so let me even do the golden level and see what's happening here. Yeah, that's exactly where this token is seated. Okay, that's exactly where this token is seated. So let's see if we can have a bounce from here to the upside. All right, let's see if param will bounce up from here to the upside. All right, but currently you see what this thing is doing. All right, is currently moving sideways. No much activities here. Look at that after we had that dump. Okay, but I want to see this thing reject from here, and maybe we'll start moving up and all of that. Right now there are no much activities on para. So for as long as they keep dropping, you continue to lose money. Just imagine that you bought at 0.09 and right now it's 0.075. Definitely you lose money, right? Yeah. So, but if you have done the launch pool, don't worry. BYBIT will give you some free tokens to make up for that, right? Okay. Can I still stake param? I'm not sure because it will end tomorrow. Okay. It ends tomorrow, so you cannot stake again. Those who stake has already been waiting for their rewards in few hours from now. So you can no longer stake param. Just waiting for their rewards from now. Guys, Saga is going well. If you're holding on to Saga, okay, Saga is going well. So if you're holding on to this token, let it continue to push, and let's see how it goes. Okay. Which other token again should I look at right now, guys? Whatever token you're looking at, put it on the chat, okay? But I have a lot of tokens on my watch list that I want us to go through. But just that the chat is delaying, right? Okay, but let's look at Lado, let's look at LDO and see if we can look for areas of entries. All right, look at this thing, guys. Saga, Param, or whatever. Okay, this token is just dumping like that. Who is pursuing this token? But I want to see that this area here serve as is to support. Okay, 0.0. If it serves as a support, maybe we'll be looking for a trade from here to the upside. Okay. We can be looking for a trade from here to the upside for that particular token. So do you drop the trades you show at the beginning in the group? Yes, I did. The BTC trade, we took that trade here during the live section on Friday. So for everybody who took, we even did market. I told you guys that I was doing market order. Okay. So for the BTC trade, yes, we took that trade at the live section. That was on Friday during the live section, right? That was when we took that BTC trade. So yeah, but for this particular saga that I just opened, I dropped it on the group. So if you took that trade, yeah, you should be in profit. Okay, majority of the trades we took here, yeah, I do drop on the group and all of that. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Lado currently rejecting, holding on above that 382. But for me, I'm waiting for this thing to come back to either this green line here, which is 2.1, or down at 1 point something. That's where I'm looking for buys. All right, for this particular token. Okay, those are the areas where I'm looking for buys and all of that. So let's see how this thing will go. All I just need to do is to see. But if it doesn't come back to that area, okay, and eventually we break out of this, then maybe I can start looking for trades from here to the upside. But right now, I'm just still looking, right? I'm just still looking. ALT, we took ALT, but I'm out of that trade already. Okay, yeah, this is the ALT trade we took that I gave you guys. Okay, so I closed mine around this 0.36 level. Okay, 0.36 level. And what I'm expecting is maybe this thing will reject back to that entry level, then I can re-enter the trade again. Okay, for ALT, maybe to reject back to that entry level, then I can re-enter the trade again. That's basically what I'm looking at for. And Solana, I am accumulating Solana at this area we are now. Okay, anything between this $160, okay, down to 162, all of those areas. Okay, anything around this area here, 160 up to that level of 162, I'm just buying, right? I'm just buying Solana right here. I'm using low leverage for this. You can do it on spot if you don't want to do leverage for Sol. Okay, you can do spot or use low leverage for this. I'm holding Solana until we get to $200 and above. All right, that's my target for Sol. I'm holding Sol until we get to $200 and above. All right, that's basically what I'm looking at for Solana and all of that. Okay, for WLD, let the chart load up. Let me equally give you a setup for that. Let me check what BYBIT is currently doing on the gainers list. Gainers list, that's not slowly. Let's see. We'll look at smash that like button for me, guys. Smash that like button for me, okay? So on the gainers, let's see which tokens are doing great right now. Okay, Alice. Yes, Alice is doing great. Front is equally waking up. We have a lot of them here, guys. Let me see. We have a lot of tokens that are Alice. You know, remember I mentioned Alice in one of those trades that I told you that it was at that accumulation zone, right? I told you guys that Alice was currently accumulating, that you can buy on spot. And I equally gave you instances of how Alice, for those of you who have been regular on the live show, at times, if you pay attention to currently accumulating, you will definitely make money from it. All right, so let me look at Alice. I have that on my watch list. Alice. I think the name of the token is my neighbor Alice. So let me see. Alice USDT. I told you guys that Alice was, in that accumulation zone. And what happened today? Okay, the whales just came and took this trade up, right? Look at the areas I told you to accumulate, right? Alice was just at around this area, and I told you guys it was accumulating. So look at that. When he finally woke up, what happened? Alice jumped up, consolidated, and boom, he went up there. All right. So if you bought Alice, congratulations, you would have been up by over 100, almost 100% plus or thereabout. Okay. Please, how do you check a possible buy in bread? You want me to look at bread? Okay, tell me to look at bread. All right. When you say how do you check a possible buy in bread, it gets me confused. All right. So yeah, this is Alice. We're looking at Alice around this, and that is basically it. Okay, so for bread, let's look at bread. Is it what's the T, right? USDT. Okay, so let bread load up, and let me go to this other chart for ADA. Okay, for ADA, for Louis, ADA, I'm actually looking for buys. Let me just pull up that chart and show you why I'm looking for buy. Okay, ADA USDT. Okay, so for Dominic that is looking for a possible buy, right? For bread, well, bread has been going up and up and up. If we even take our Fibonacci retracement to for bread, okay, we will take it from here to that up. Let's see, golden level there. Okay, we're almost there. All right, this is the golden level. We came back down, almost there, and then we started pushing back up. So patiently wait for this if you are looking to buy. Okay, patiently wait for this to come down to 0.07. Those are areas you should be looking at buying this token, right? 0.07 could be a good area you should be looking at buying bread. All right, that's basically what I'll be looking at for bread. Okay, and this is ADA for Dominic, right? This is what I'm looking at for ADA. I'm currently looking at this to, continue to hold above this level here, guys. All right, for as long as ADA continues to hold above this level, I'm looking for long. So if we come back again and test that level without breaking below it, I'm looking for long, and I'll take it up there. Okay, so if ADA comes back down here without breaking this level, I'm looking for long. Normally my stop loss will always be 3% plus. Okay, I'm looking for from here, and let's see how that will go. Okay, that's basically my personal view on ADA. If we get to level of 0.04, 4445, I should be looking, to long from there to the upside. Okay, I have followed. You're welcome. Okay, just hold on. You will not lose the money. Right? Let that thing retrace back up. You will definitely make money from it. Okay, how to make money or trade on 𝗕𝗫𝗘. 𝗕𝗫𝗘, you don't make money from it, okay? You just use the platform right now. I told you the only way is to look for arbitrage trading opportunity, right? So on 𝗕𝗫𝗘, you just go to 𝗕𝗫𝗘 and you are using it. Basically, what we are doing is we are farming for the 𝗕𝗫𝗘 airdrop, all right? At the end of the day, while you are transacting on 𝗕𝗫𝗘, you are paying fee, okay? All those network fee of swapping from one network to another, you are paying fee. Okay, so you may not make money from it, but you get points for every transaction you do on 𝗕𝗫𝗘. There's a step-by-step video I made on that on the channel. Go ahead. At times when you guys just ignore all the video tutorials I make, that's why I don't just even bother myself making any tutorials. Okay, like all these tap to earn things you are doing on Telegram. I wanted to be making videos on them, but I just get tired since you guys are not watching the video now. Just let me leave it. Okay, there's a video, step-by-step video that I show you how to use 𝗕𝗫𝗘. So go and use it, and whatever points you accumulate, you will qualify to get airdrop from the 𝗕𝗫𝗘 platform. All right, and make sure you use the link that I've provided for 𝗕𝗫𝗘. Okay, that way you'll be able to get some points or some bonuses doing that. Okay. Julia, I don't understand you. Which one is drop? What do you want me to drop, Abek? Is 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗏 token going to be N per hour, or the figure is in a 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗏 screen? Please don't be carried away with those 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗏 5 million tokens. Some of you are thinking that when this guy is launched, they will definitely give you. Some of you are gathering 1 billion token, 1 million token, 10 million token, and all of that. You think the platform will carry all those tokens and give to you, right? The token will be allocated according to the activities, those cards that they are giving you to buy those tokens with. That's why they are giving you the tokens to start buying all of those cards on their platform. Okay, so those cards you are buying, those points you are earning, or whatever number of points you accumulate, when it says this is the number of points because you have been buying cards, this is the number of points, those are what the people will use to determine the number of tokens you get. Okay, it is not this other 5, 10 million that you're accumulating. All right, it is the number of cards you bought and all of that will determine the number of tokens you will get for the airdrop. Now, in case you don't know already, guys, some of you don't understand what Notcoin did, right? Why are you guys acting funny? Notcoin, for those of you who were farming Notcoin, and at the end of the day, you were just focused on tapping and tapping and tapping. You did not upgrade your Notcoin. You did not buy all those things. What did Notcoin did when they launched? Some of you did 5 million, 10 million, and what did they do? They slashed it into 50%. If you did not participate in buying any booster at all during the Notcoin mining, if you didn't buy any booster at all, Notcoin will slash your point by 50%, right? And then the remaining 50% was what they were now calculating 1,000 to 1 Notcoin, 1,000 to 1 Notcoin. That is why you got that. But for those of you who were buying boosters, you were using all those things that Notcoin did, what happened? You got your full Notcoin token, okay? And they were now calculating 1,000 to 1 Notcoin, 1,000 to 1 Notcoin. So the same thing will happen with some of these platforms. So if you are not using those points you are earning to boost, to buy all those boosters and the rest, at the end of the day, they can either slash your token by 50% or by 60%, okay? And the remaining one, they will not tell you that, oh, it is 2,000 to one of those their own tokens, or it is 1,000 to one of the hamster whatever token and the rest. So please use those points. Don't be so carried away by accumulating 1 million points, 100 million points. Use the point to buy those cards. Those cards you are buying will determine the number of tokens that not the hamster will give to you when they do their launch. Okay, so yeah, don't be carried away with those points. If they give 1 million, that means everybody who has used Notcoin will just become a millionaire overnight. All right. Some of you are so stingy with the points that you don't want to use it to subscribe for anything at all. How about now? Yeah. Okay, please. How should I enter Saga? Jesus Christ. You enter Saga from the entering points I've given you, okay? I've given you entering point. So you go and enter it there. Okay? And by the way, okay, whenever I send signal, I always send a step-by-step video guide. If you cannot go and watch that video guide and you cannot pay to come and learn crypto trading, I wonder what you want to do. Okay? I wonder what you want to do. So go to the entry that I've given you and enter the coin and set the limit order or market order, whatever you want to do there. That's how you basically enter that, all right? If you check out this trade that I sent, when you check beneath it, you will see here is how to trade our signals. I've made a step-by-step video explaining how to interpret all of these things and how to set up those signals. Go and watch that video. It is free. But if you want to take a step further to learn how to trade, go and buy this course. Once the course materials are uploaded by next week, definitely will increase the price, and that is it, okay? But these are entering price, okay? This is your entering, this is your stop loss, and then this is your take profit. So use that to go and enter the Saga trade, okay? Boss, please, are you aware of this pump community that buys coins a low price before it's listed and sell high? Well, if it is on Telegram, please be very careful, okay? Because some of those communities, the admins of the communities are the one in charge of that. All right, it's very simple. If I want to do that, I have about 5,000 of you on my Telegram community. Okay, I will just go and buy a particular token and tell you that we are pumping this token. Right? Definitely, some will make money, but it's not everybody that will make money, right? Which is why it's that pump and dump. So I'll just buy the token and keep. And then come and tell you guys, prepare tomorrow by 3 a.m. We are going to pump this coin. We are going to buy this coin. And then when it's 3 a.m., I will send the name of the token. I've already bought mine. Okay? I already bought mine. I'll send the name of the token and I'll tell you guys, buy now, buy now, buy now, buy now, buy now, buy now. As you are buying, I am looking for where to take profit. All right? Now, because I've bought a very huge amount of money, once I start selling, the coin will start dropping. Then when it drop, I'll tell you, oh, it's pulling back down, it's pulling back. Just wait, it is just a pullback. Buy, hold. Before you know, you hold and your coin will go to zero. You will lose that one. At the end of the day, they will send you a screenshot of those who have made 20%, 100% from it and all of that, okay? It is a planned work. So if you want to go and be gambling with your money, with doing that kind of thing, well, you can do it. Some of you could get lucky and make money. If you are smart enough, you could make money before every other person starts selling on you, okay? But if you are stingy and all of that, you go into such project, you will always be losing, all right? You'll always be losing because when it pumps by 10%, it won't be enough for you. You want to wait for it to do 500 because they have told you that that coin will go to 5,000 or 10,000%. So you are always looking at that. Then once it goes up 100%, they are selling, right? And tell you to continue to buy. As you are buying, they are selling. Before you know it, they will sell, and then your money will be worth nothing. So be careful with such community, okay? But if you know how to be smart them and go join them, why not? You can go and try it, okay? It's gambling, so you can go and gamble with your money and make some profit for yourself. All right? Yeah, gamble with your money and make some profit for yourself. Okay, let's look at Dash USDT. So let the Dash coin lose up and let's see how it goes. All right, Dash. Okay, yeah. So for ADA, if it gets back down to that 44, 43, okay, that could be a good area to start buying, right? I'm not on this Alice trade. I'm on this Alice trade, and the signal I got said we should go short, but now I'm lost. It's going to retrace because okay, I will look at the Alice trade. Let me finish with Dash. I'll go to Alice trade, but you've entered the trade already. Okay, that is why there is need for stop loss. So if you are losing, you allow it to either hit your stop loss, okay, or hit your TP. All right. So for for Dash. Let me do daily time frame and see what we can get here. Okay, so while that is loading up, let me go to the Alice. Okay, so for Dash, so for as long as Dash continues to hold this level, okay, for as long as Dash continues to hold above this level, you should be looking for long from that level. Okay. So for as long as we continue to hold above this level, right, you should be looking for long from these areas here to the upside. Okay. So for me, if Dash gets down to that level, I'll be looking to buy and then put my stop loss maybe around 4 or 5% there. All right. So that's what I'll be looking for Dash. For Louis, if you want to trade Dash, this is what exactly I'll be looking at for. Okay. If this plays out, this is where I want to take that my trade to the upside. All right. I just want to see that rejection, a sign of rejection around this golden level here. Sorry, you won't see that because I'm on a white screen. That's why. Okay. Then for Alice, normally Alice has pumped, so I will normally go to the weekly time frame. Okay. I don't know where your entering point was. Okay. If you're almost losing $10 already, I don't know where your entry point is, but let me just look at it and show you. Okay, so for Alice, we do have a resistance around this area. Okay, there is a resistance for Alice around that $3 level. Okay, so I think if you want to short Alice, you should be looking at shorting from that $3 down. Okay, because the way this thing is pushing, I am suspecting that Alice will go kiss that $3 level before it start coming back down. Okay, I'm suspecting that Alice will kiss that $3 level before it start coming back down. But if Alice decides to break this level and continue to go up, well, you could see Alice going up to as high as $20, $8 up to that $20 level. But yeah, right now there is a resistance at this $3 level. So that's areas where you should be looking for a quick scalp. Okay, so I don't know where your entry is, but if you cannot wait, I think there's need for you to close out of the trade and look for another new setup, right? I appreciate in Param pool. Okay, I participated in Param pool, so my token after the pool will be on my funding. Yes, your token will be returned back to you. Okay, and then the rewards you get to will be credited into your account. Okay, how much do you charge for crypto trading? Please go and buy this course. Okay, it's just $25 right now. Okay, it's just 25K right now. All right, 25K in Naira. All right, or $25 in dollars or whatever. Okay, go and buy the course. That's what we charge. If you want my one-on-one, I charge between 300 and above. So This course gives you access to everything you need, and then our weekly workshop. Okay, our weekly workshop. Now, this course is basically how to read charts and trade, right? That's what the course is all about. Okay, if you go through the curriculum here, you should be able to get a better understanding of what we are talking about. That's what the course is all about. All right, but I will go extra mile to make sure that once in a while that I'm having meeting with everybody who has participated in that course. Okay, and then basically what I want to help you build is a long-term portfolio in the crypto space. Okay, while we learn how to trade and be taking care of our bills and all of that, you can be planning ahead. Okay, tokens you need to buy to hold, to make profit in the long run and all of that. Those are things we need to equally be doing during the workshop. But right now, just buy and learn, how to analyze and trade yourselves. Okay, that's what the course is. So go and buy that course. Except you want to pay me $300 or $400 to take you on a one-on-one for 1 month. I don't mind. I can collect the money and do that. Okay. Please, if we want to learn crypto, is it virtual or how? You want a physical training? We give you a direction, okay, to come for physical training. But this particular one, everything has been recorded for you. It's just to go and take the course, and then we'll be having live section once in a while to take your questions, to direct you on what to do and all of that. Okay, that's what it is. So, but this one, they are all pre-recorded videos that you need to go and watch. All right. Some of the videos are having live sections that I've had before and all of that. But we'll be having once in a while. We're having live workshop where we need to interact, and then we'll give you tips, gives you updates on the market, and then you go ahead and take those. Okay. So take the course right now, because after this week, guys, I'm going to make that course $150, and then it will only be for the serious people. And at the end of the day, you end up paying it, right? Is it that you buy it now, you pay when the price increases? Okay, where can I register for the link is in the video description, right? The link to this page is in the video description. Once you come in here, you can select the currency you want to pay in. You can pay dollar, pounds, whatever, Ghana cedis, and all of these different currencies. Okay, you can select whatever currency you want to pay. Go ahead and click on pre-order, and then pay for the product, and you get access immediately, right? And you get access immediately. So yeah, that's how you pay for it. Okay. God bless you for that insight. I really appreciate it. You're welcome, 14. Please, which website is very easy for crypto analysis? It is this particular one that I'm using here. Okay, there are a whole lot of websites, but for technical analysis, you need TradingView. Okay, for technical analysis, guys, you need TradingView. Okay, it's TradingView. Which one is easy? Is it the one that will do the analysis for you yourself? All of them are all easy, right? Okay, all of them are all easy. So yeah, is this particular one we are looking at is called TradingView. So the link to sign up for TradingView will equally be in the video description. Okay, but let me just show you what you need to do. Let that stuff load up so that we'll just go and see what we can look at together. Which other question again do I have here? Can I buy Alice now? I hope you heard what I said, right? Alice is going to a resistance level. Okay, if you want to buy at 2.6 to sell at $3, you wait for Alice to pull back. Okay, so what I basically do, you see this move from here to that up there, I'll just take my Fibonacci retracement too. Okay, take it from that bottom, okay, maybe to that high. Let me even target that level. Let's say we'll go to that level there and reject. Okay, so this is the next area where I'm looking to buy Alice, and that is basically our previous resistance. Okay, we'll now be using that as a support here, right? So this area here was a previous resistance, as you can see. We rejected there, came back down, rejected, came back, okay, fake out, and then now we've broken out of that area. So you wait for Alice to go to $3, pull back, maybe to around $1 or thereabout. You can now start looking for buys from those areas going forward. That's what I'm looking at for Alice. But if you want to scalp Alice and you're looking for buys, well, you can go to as low as 15 minutes time frame and start looking for areas to buy. Okay, but right now I want to see Alice go reject there, come back here, and then from here we're taking a trade to the upside. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Please send link for payment of the course. I want to have access to. Okay, so the link I will send it on the chat. But if you go to the description of this video, guys, smash that like button. Okay. If you just join and you're not smashing that like button, you're wrong. Okay, smash the like button. So if you come to the description of this video and you go to more, okay, the first link here will be to sign up for a BYBIT account. We trade and then we advise that everybody do use BYBIT for features. Okay. Then the next one is to join us on Telegram. And then for the guy who was asking for the Telegram link, this is the link. Join us there. Then if you want to learn how to trade, this is the link to the course. Okay. You click on that one to learn. And then for the guy that asks of 𝗕𝗫𝗙 and the rest, this is the link to use and some other airdrop platform that I've posted here. All right. But I'll still post the link here on the comment section for those of you who are interested. Okay. Buy the course here. Okay. So that's the link to buy the course. Go ahead and make payment for the course and you have access to, those stuff. All right. So that's it. Then I tried so much to connect my MetaMask to 𝗕𝗫𝗙 since the day you helped me understand how to go about it. I was unable. You were supposed to get back to me after that, right? Maybe you should still let me know. Okay, we can still work through that. I told you, if you are doing it on your phone, okay, all you just need to do is to copy this link for the 𝗕𝗫𝗙. Okay, you copy this link here. All right, then you go to your MetaMask. Okay, go to the browser section on the MetaMask and paste this link there. Then connect your wallet inside there, and that's basically how you get access to the 𝗕𝗫𝗙 platform. And then from your MetaMask, you can start interacting with it, and that's basically it. Okay, this step-by-step guide is in that video that I made, right? If you check out the video I made on this, on using 𝗕𝗫𝗙 and all of that, I mentioned it towards the end on how to do 𝗕𝗫𝗙 on your phone. Okay, how to use 𝗕𝗫𝗙 on your phone. So I mentioned all of that there. All right. So if you have not been able to interact with the 𝗕𝗫𝗙 platform, well, sorry about that, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Yeah. So yeah, I've been able to do justice to all of your questions, right? So if you come to videos, come to the channel, go to videos, guys, you'll be able to see the video for 𝗕𝗫𝗙, which is this one here. Okay, try to see that video. And then somebody asked of which other one again did they ask of? You want to know how to trade and all of that. I've done videos on all of that. Okay, then for BYBIT token splash, I've done a video on that. You can go check it out. Then for the launch pool, this is the video guide. I show you how to do that. You can go check that out. Okay, we don't have to do all of this thing. So guys, go and check it out. Then I wanted to look at some of these tokens that I saw on BYBIT that are pumping. Okay, let's look at least. Yes, I told you wait for a rejection at that $3 level, then you can take a trade from there to the upside. And majority of the tokens that are pumping here are just majority are just meme coins and the rest. Okay. Then the last token I need to look at right now is TRB. Okay, I'm still looking for the right place to buy TRB. Let me see if the chart will come up. Let me just do that for you. And then we can call it a day here and continue tomorrow. I'm still looking, for better internet connection I can use, to be doing this live stream. So if you know any provider aside these regular network providers that we use, please let me know. Okay, so TRB. Let me do daily. But the chart is not loading up, guys. So let's see how it goes. Anything that I don't know well. Okay, a lot. Okay, I told you we'll be having live sections and all of that. All right. I basically want to help you, build aside trading features and the rest. Okay, I want you to diversify in the crypto space and make some money for yourself. So we're just here to help you, right? You gain a lot. Maybe during the live sections, you can actually see a glimpse of what you should be enjoying. Hopefully, once I officially launch the course by next week and I increase the price, the next thing is to make announcement for all of you to join WhatsApp group, and then the next thing is to have a meeting with you and then let you know what you should be expecting. Okay, and all of that. So yeah, you stand to gain a lot, right? You stand to gain a lot. Okay, we'll just let you know how to accumulate some of these tokens from now till next year and how to make money from it. It's as simple as that. Okay. You haven't shown what you wanted to show on crypto analysis trading view. So, sorry, maybe it has escaped my mind. I don't know what exactly did I want to show. Okay, what exactly did I say I was going to show? It has escaped my mind. So if you can let me know, maybe I should be able to do that. Is there anything I've not shown you guys here? Just let me know, okay? Maybe it has escaped my mind. Okay, what we are doing is crypto analysis. I don't know what else you wanted me to show you. But if not, let me know, okay? Let me know and I will show you that, guys. Let me know and I will show you that. All right, for Fed, I'm looking for long from here, right? Yeah. So guys, let's see if we can get this that came back to that trend line, bounced off. So if we do approach that level again, this level of 2.08, that could be a good area to take a trade. Okay, we'll stop loss at 5%. 5%, yeah, 5% should be somewhere around there. And then we can target as high as that area there. Yeah, but we can start from here and gradually push this thing upward. Okay, we can start from here and gradually push it upward. This is what I'm looking at for Fed. So if it comes back down there, take a trade to the upside. But this your trading bot, is it really works? Which of the trading bot? Which of the trading bot, please? Sinaza, which of the trading bot are you referring to? If it is the one I use on BYBIT, yes, it works. Okay, I think I made a video about trading bot on BYBIT, right? If it is the one I use on BYBIT, in fact, the bot I use on BYBIT majorly is the DCA bot. Okay, yeah, the BYBIT trading bot on DCA is the one that works for me. Yeah, the DCA bot works for me very well. Okay, DCA board works for me very well. I set up some DCA board as of January this year, and it has actually been really helpful. Okay, even when I forget to buy some of the coins I've bought, because I've programmed the bot already to buy on a weekly basis for me. Keep buying whenever I have money on my funding wallet. Okay, the bot will just use it to buy some coins for me. And looking at things from January till now, they have all been profitable. Okay, all the coins that the bot has bought gradually has all been profitable. So yes, I use the DCA bot a lot, and it works for me a lot. Can I know about indicators that you are using? A lot of them. Okay, a lot of them. And then some of those indicators will show you how to use them on this course. Okay, so when you go to I think strategies, okay, and indicators. So on indicators, we show you, okay, these are just major indicators, but on the strategy option, you get access to a whole lot of that. Okay, a whole lot of that and all of that. Okay, day trading strategies and all of that. Yeah, exponential moving average, which are the most important. Okay, the volume. Okay, and a lot of other indicators here. Okay, some you've heard of, some you've not heard of. Okay, we'll show you all of that. Okay, so the course, you look at patterns, look at volumes. The course has been done in a way, okay, that will benefit you a lot. Okay, the course has been programmed in a way that it benefits you a lot. So go ahead and take that course, right? But I use moving averages a lot, right? I use moving averages a lot because it helps a lot. Yes, I use moving averages a lot. Okay, for instance, if you look at my chart, I have moving average 200, moving average 50, moving average 20. Those are the three moving averages that I'm using right now. Okay, those are the three moving averages that I'm using right now. All right, guys, so yeah, please take note of this particular trade, and hold on to it. Okay, yeah, set a limit order here. Maybe when it comes there, you pick your trade and you make some profit. Okay, so that is where I'll be calling it off today. If you don't have further questions, I think we'll take it back. We'll call it a day here. And once again, I will urge all of you to go and buy this course. Okay, if you really want to learn, there is need for you to buy this course, guys. Okay, and the beauty is that you can pay in any currency of your choice. Okay, you can pay in any currency of your choice. So go and buy and let's see how it goes. Go and buy it and let's see how it goes. All right. So thank you so much for your time, and you have a wonderful day. So the discussion will continue on Telegram. I will look at the market, whatever I'm trading this night, I will share with you guys. Okay, join other admins and take all the trades we share with you with good risk management, guys. With good risk management, don't risk your money, don't throw your money around. That's basically it for today. Smash that like button, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Join us on Telegram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow during the live session. Bye bye for now, and enjoy your day.